Are you tired of feeling sluggish, dealing with stubborn weight gain, or battling unpredictable blood sugar levels? If you're over 50, you're not alone. Millions struggle with insulin resistance, a condition that can lead to serious health problems like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. But what if a simple natural remedy sitting right in your kitchen could help you regain control of your health? We're talking about apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. In this video, you'll learn the science-backed ways ACV can improve insulin sensitivity, stabilize blood sugar, and even help with weight loss. Plus, you'll get 3 power tips for incorporating ACV into your routine and 2 quick recipes to make it easy and delicious. So stick around. This just might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Now I have a question for you. Do you know what is insulin resistance? Insulin resistance happens when your body's cells become less responsive to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. When your cells don't respond, glucose stays in your bloodstream instead of being absorbed for energy. This forces your body to produce more insulin to compensate, leading to a vicious cycle that can wreak havoc on your health. Now, if left unchecked, insulin resistance can lead to type 2 diabetes, weight gain, especially around the belly, chronic inflammation, increased risk of heart disease, and cognitive decline. Did you know that insulin resistance gets worse after 50? As we age, factors like a slowing metabolism, hormonal changes, and decreased physical activity make insulin resistance harder to manage. Hormonal shifts, especially in women during menopause, can reduce insulin sensitivity, while muscle loss slows down how effectively your body burns glucose. This combination can leave you feeling tired, frustrated, and stuck in a cycle of poor energy and stubborn fat. But the good news is, natural remedies like apple cider vinegar can help break this cycle and support healthy blood sugar levels. Now let's talk about the science behind apple cider vinegar. ACV has been used for centuries as a staple in holistic health for its ability to support digestion, boost metabolism, and improve overall wellness. The key ingredient in ACV is acetic acid, which has been shown to have several benefits for insulin sensitivity. Here's how acetic acid works. It slows down the digestion of carbs. ACV slows the breakdown of carbohydrates, so glucose enters your bloodstream gradually instead of causing sharp sugar spikes. It improves glucose uptake. Acetic acid helps your muscles absorb glucose more effectively, lowering blood sugar levels and reducing insulin resistance. And it reduces inflammation. Inflammation plays a huge role in insulin resistance. The polyphenols in ACV act as antioxidants to combat inflammation and protect your cells. Here's some research-backed evidence. A study in the Journal of Diabetes Research showed that taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV before meals improved insulin sensitivity by up to 34% in people with type 2 diabetes. Another study in diabetes care found that ACV reduced post-meal blood sugar spikes in insulin-resistant individuals. Research also suggests that regular ACV consumption can improve pancreatic function, helping your body produce insulin more efficiently. Now here's power tip number 1. Start your day right by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic ACV with the mother in a glass of water and drinking it 15 minutes before meals to stabilize your blood sugar naturally. Add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing twist. Now let's talk about apple cider vinegar for weight loss and metabolism. If you notice that losing weight has gotten harder as you've aged, trust me, you're not alone. Apple cider vinegar can help in 3 key ways. It suppresses appetite. Acetic acid helps you feel full longer, reducing calorie intake naturally. It boosts fat burning. Apple cider vinegar increases your body's ability to burn fat, particularly around the belly area, a common struggle for many people over 50, and it stabilizes blood sugar. Lower blood sugar levels mean fewer cravings for sweets and carbs that can derail your progress. A 12-week study in bioscience, biotechnology, and biochemistry found that participants who consumed 2 tablespoons of ACV daily lost more weight and belly fat compared to those who didn't. Here's a simple recipe for weight loss. 1 tablespoon of ACV, 1 cup of warm water, and just a little pinch of cinnamon. This combination boosts metabolism, balances blood sugar, and gives you a refreshing start to the day. Not a fan of the sharp apple cider vinegar taste? No worries, there are convenient alternatives to fit any lifestyle. There are apple cider vinegar gummies. Gummies are a great option if you're on the go. Look for organic gummies with minimal sugar to avoid blood sugar spikes. Apple cider vinegar pills. Pills are quick, tasteless, and easy. Always check that the brand uses organic, unfiltered ACV with the mother for full benefits. Now here's a quick recipe. Berry apple cider vinegar refresher. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of sparkling water, a handful of frozen berries, and a teaspoon of honey, which is optional. This makes a refreshing, healthy drink packed with flavor and benefits. Power tip number 2. When shopping for apple cider vinegar products, read the label carefully. Look for organic, raw, and unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother for the most nutrients. And for anyone who was wondering, the mother in apple cider vinegar refers to the cloudy, stringy substance that you often see floating at the bottom of an unfiltered, unpasteurized bottle of ACV. It's made up of a combination of beneficial bacteria, yeast, proteins, and enzymes formed during the fermentation process. Besides insulin resistance, apple cider vinegar offers other impressive health benefits. It supports gut health. Apple cider vinegar acts as a prebiotic, feeding good gut bacteria, which helps with digestion and overall immunity. It improves cholesterol levels. Studies show that ACV can help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. It boosts energy by balancing blood sugar. ACV prevents energy crashes that can leave you feeling sluggish. Now here's power tip number 3. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to your post-workout drink to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. Combine it with coconut water for hydration and a pinch of sea salt for electrolytes. Now here's some cautions. While apple cider vinegar is a natural powerhouse, it's important to use it safely. Always dilute it. Drinking it straight can harm your teeth and your throat. Don't overdo it. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. And talk to your doctor. If you're on medication for diabetes or blood pressure, check with your doctor before starting apple cider vinegar. You know, apple cider vinegar can be a game changer for managing insulin resistance and improving overall health. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can take control over your health and feel your best. Remember, it's essential to combine apple cider vinegar with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep for optimal results. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Like and share this video to help others discover the power of apple cider vinegar. Comment below with your favorite apple cider vinegar tip or question. Don't worry, I wasn't going to forget to tell you to link to your favorite organic apple cider vinegar in the description below. Remember, at Better Every Decade, we believe that whether you are over 50, 70, 90, or 1,000, age is just a number. With the right knowledge and tools, we can all live vibrant, active lives well into our golden years. So here's to living better every decade. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep fighting to live your best life.